Hello everyone, here's teacher Yulia and lesson number 4. Today we will talk about graphing linear inequalities in one variable. How to represent inequalities on a number line. As we traditionally do, we'll start with vocabulary. So the words for today are solution, represent, open circle, or we can say also empty dot, closed circle, or the same meaning is solid dot. Before we will start talking about inequalities, let's remember what is equality. How to represent, how to show equality on the number line. It's very easy. For example, x equals 6. It's easy to show on the number line. This is just a little dot on the number line. And this example is number 6. Very easy. X is exactly number 6. It's a little bit more complicated with the inequalities because inequality contains symbols like less than, greater than or equal to, smaller than or equal to, or not equal at all. Many symbols. What does it mean? The answer to the inequality usually contains a set of numbers. It's not just one number, like in the previous example. X equals 6, just only one number. Here is the range of values. How to represent, how to graph inequality on number line. There are 3 main steps to do that. The first one, you have to find a number on the other side of the inequality symbol from the variable. Okay, what does it mean? So, for example, you are given x is less than number 2. Inequality symbol is less than. Where is the number following to the inequality symbol? It's here, number 2. Next step, you draw a number line and the circle, for example, number 2 on your number line. Where is number 2? And then you have to show the solution, the answer to the inequality. So you have to shade all numbers, which can be solutions for that inequality. All the numbers the variable can be. Let's see some examples. For example, x is less than or equal to 2. If your inequality contains these 2 signs, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, when you show your number, in this example, in this case it's number 2, when you show on the number lines number 2, you have to fill in this circle. You have to show the closed solid dot. And then you have to shade all numbers going to the left of number 2 because x is less than number 2. Remember, x can be equal number 2. This dot shows you number 2 is also solution for this inequality. X can be equal to or smaller than number 2. If your inequality contains symbol just greater than or less than, so like in this example, x is less than number 2, you do not fill the circle, you just show open circle because number 2 is not a solution for this inequality. All numbers following next to left to the number 2, but not included number 2. Number 2 is not a solution, so opened or empty dot. What about this inequality? If your number is a range of numbers between two given numbers, your inequality contains 2 inequality signs. For example, variable y. You are given 2 inequality signs like greater than and smaller than or equal to. So you're given 2 numbers, -1 and 5. So on the number line, we have to find these two numbers. Here's -1 and here's number 5. And also we are given y is greater than -1 but not equal to -1. So we just show open circle or empty dot. -1 is not a solution. But number 5, y can be equal to number 5 or less than number 5. So all numbers between -1 and 5 is included because y can be equal to 5. So we just shaded this short area between -1 and 5. This is the answer or numbers which can be solution for this inequality. I think this topic is pretty simple, and for practicing, I would like you to go to the quiz number 2, which will be given in supplementary mathematics, and to practice a little questions about how to write inequality by given number line. You will be given number line, so just look at this number line and write inequality. That's all for today for this lesson, so see you in the lesson number 5. Bye bye.